Have you ever caught yourself staring at a sea of stock tickers and thought, why does this feel like rocket science? Maybe you look up investment advice online and every expert says something different. Buy value stocks, no. Growth stocks, no kidding. This meme coin will make you a millionaire in a week. In the meantime, your head explodes and your money sits in a savings account, gathering dust and eating by inflation. But what if I told you the market isn't hiding a secret code at all, and that building real wealth can fit on one small note card with just 4 ticker symbols? No Wall Street pedigree, no late-night chart obsession, no guessing games, just a clear, repeatable plan that any busy person can run in the background while living life. In the next few minutes, you'll see how one simple list can put you on a straight road toward a 7-figure future, even if you're starting from scratch and can only spare the cost of a streaming subscription each week, especially with the third ETF in this list. But before, let's call out the elephant in the room. The money world thrives on confusion. Financial TV flashes urgent headlines, social media pumps top 10 stock lists every hour, and fee-hungry funds want you to believe complicated equals sophisticated. It's noise designed to keep you second-guessing so you'll pay someone else to think. But complexity does not create riches. Discipline does. The 4 ETF approach cuts the volume to 0. It hands you an all-weather portfolio you can buy in minutes, check once in a while, and then get back to living. Remember, this video is for educational content only. It's not financial advice. Picture your wealth plan as a car with 4 perfectly balanced wheels. Take away any wheel and the ride feels wrong. Bolt on all 4 and you glide smoothly over bull markets, bear markets, recessions, and rebounds. Each of our ETFs supplies a different kind of power: broad growth, steady cash, futuristic upside, and defensive value. Together they form a machine that keeps rolling, whether the headlines cheer or scream. Let's start with VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Think of VOO as owning a slice of America's economic engine. Apple chips, Microsoft cloud servers, Costco memberships, and hundreds more cash-generating giants rolled into one low-cost fund. Since inception, it has mirrored the S&P 500 almost tick for tick and charged roughly $3 a year on every $10,000 position to do it. That pocket change fee buys you exposure to companies that have weathered wars, pandemics, and rate hikes, yet still grew an average of about 10% annually over the long haul. VO is the foundation. Solid, boring in the best way, and always humming. Great, but dividends matter too. Enter SCHD, the Schwab U, S-Dividend Equity ETF. SCHD loads up on profitable businesses that not only pay shareholders, but raise those payouts year after year. It's like planting money trees and watching the branches grow thicker every spring. With a yield that usually lands around 3 to 4% and a 10-year record of double-digit annual dividend increases, SCHD puts real cash in your account 4 times a year. Reinvest those checks and you turbocharge compounding. Keep them later in life and you've written yourself a private pension. Now we spice things up with QQQM, the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF's leaner cousin. QQQM is your backstage pass to the innovators reshaping tomorrow. AI chips, streaming services, electric cars, virtual reality headsets. While VOO owns many of these names, QQM turns up the volume, pushing roughly half its weight into tech and spread across only 100 leaders. That concentration can feel bumpy at times, but history shows the Nasdaq has delivered eye-popping gains over multi-year stretches, rewarding the patient with explosive growth that broad funds alone can't match. Still, no party lasts forever, and every sprinter needs a teammate who can jog steadily during market potholes. That's VTV, the Vanguard Value ETF. VTV scoops up out-of-favour finance houses, healthcare heavyweights, industrial titans, and household staple manufacturers, companies that might not rocket upward in hype cycles, yet rarely trade at sky-high prices. When growth stocks stumble, value firms often shine because investors rush towards stable earnings and cheaper valuations. VTV's modest dividend, bargain expense ratio, and history of gentler drawdowns give your four-wheel drive an extra gear when the road turns rough. Let's pause for a real-world picture. Two friends, Mia and Jake, each earn the same salary. Mia panics at market swings, hunts hot tips, and trades 10 times a month. After taxes, fees, and timing mistakes, her account barely scratches 6% a year. Jake buys our 4 ETFs, ignores headlines, and adds $300 every paycheck. A decade later, Mia's balance hovers near $75,000. Jake sits north of $120,000, and he spent 0 weekends glued to charts. One kept chasing, one kept planting. The market rewarded the planter. Put those wheels together and you create a self-balancing system that hardly needs tinkering. A common starting mix is 35% VOO for core exposure, 25% SCHD for income, 25% QQQM for innovation, and 15% VTV for stability. Younger investors hungry for faster growth might slide more weight towards QQQM and dial back VTV. Retirees craving bigger checks can flip that script, beefing up SCHD and VTV while trimming the tech slice. The secret isn't chasing a perfect number, it's picking a split you can stick to when headlines get scary. Maintenance couldn't be simpler. Twice a year, peek at your percentages. If any fund drifts more than 5 points from its target, nudge it back using new contributions or a quick swap inside your brokerage app. That's 10 minutes in January, 10 in July, and you're done. The rest of your energy goes to earning, learning, and living, not micromanaging a watch list. How does the strategy hold up under fire? Look backward. In the COVID crash of 2020, the blend fell, yes, but far less than pure tech, and snapped back in record time. During 2022's inflation shock, value and dividend pieces shielded the portfolio while growth cooled off. In 2023's AI surge, QQQM reignited returns most investors missed because they'd panic sold earlier. Different gears kicked in at different moments, proving why a quartet beats a solo act. Let's run a deeper example, which is literally an action plan that you can follow step by step. Suppose you start with $0, but set up an automatic $300 monthly purchase split by our sample weights. Using long-term average growth rates, about 10% for VOO, 9 for SCHD, 12 for QQQM, and 8 for VTV, you could break the 6-figure mark in roughly 8 years and cross $1 million around year 25, all without upping your deposit. Bump your contribution to $500 as your career advances, and you shave almost 7 years off that $1 million timeline. That's the math of steady inputs plus compounding, and it doesn't count the rising dividend stream that could cover a car payment after decade 1 and your grocery bill by decade 2. Money alone, though, is only half the reward. Simplicity frees mental space. Instead of checking prices at midnight, you rest easy, knowing every news cycle is already priced into thousands of companies you own. Instead of debating meme stocks at work, you spend that time perfecting a skill, starting a side hustle, or hanging with family. The market becomes a quiet partner, not a daily soap opera. Ask yourself, what could you accomplish with an extra 5 focused hours each week? That's the hidden dividend of simplicity. Inflation is another silent thief. $1 in a jar buys less every year, but a diversified ETF portfolio owns businesses that raise prices and profits to keep pace. Your future self won't thank you for hoarding cash. It will thank you for owning the engines that make cash stronger. Every share you buy today is a little inflation shield, working day and night in factories, data centers, and storefronts around the globe. Ready to act? Open a low-fee brokerage, search the 4 tickers, set your percentage weights, and click Buy. Turn on automatic deposits synced to payday, and promise yourself you won't hit the sell button unless life truly forces it. Block out the social media noise. Celebrate small milestones. First $10,000, first $100,000, knowing each dollar is now an employee that never sleeps. And please remember, optimism is not recklessness. Every investment carries risk. Past performance shows direction, not destiny. Always keep an emergency fund and never invest grocery money. But also remember that sitting on the sidelines inflates its own cost, lost time. The market rewards the disciplined far more often than it punishes the patient. So ask yourself right now, do you want to keep scrolling for a magic stock tip? Or do you want to own the market itself, collect growing checks, ride the tech wave, and stay protected when tides change? All with 4 simple moves. The choice is yours, and the clock is ticking. A year from now, you could be saying, I wish I'd started then, or smiling at how far those first few dollars have grown. Only you decide which version of the story becomes real. If this plan sparks a light bulb, tap the like button so more future millionaires can see it, and hit subscribe for weekly guides that strip out jargon and give you clear steps. Drop a comment telling me which of the 4 ETFs you'll buy first and why. I read everyone because your wins fire me up to create better content. Want personal accountability? Share your monthly contribution goal in writing below and circle back in 6 months to brag about your progress. At the end of it all, what you need to do now is take action, because wealth isn't built by the loudest voice or the fanciest chart. It's built by the person who starts, stays consistent, and lets time do the heavy lifting. Pick up those 4 tickers today, and your future self may look back and whisper, that was the smartest question I ever asked, and the simplest answer I ever followed. And the smartest move you can make now is to subscribe to this channel to see more investment strategies. If your portfolio is ready to explode, make the like button explode too, and comment which is your favourite ETF, and I'll see you soon.